Hello my honey bunnies, how is everybody doing today? So guys, how are you guys doing with the challenge that we are doing together? I know it's day two, but still let me know at the bottom of this video how you guys are doing. So I have here something that I want to actually share with you guys. I want to do a little spread on these two little ghosts that I have here. Now I found this here. Let me show you first. He's so cute, this little ghost. It's an incense holder, and what you do is you burn the incense. Where is my matches? Here, let me show you because he's so cute. You burn the incense, and if you hear people talking, it's my family, sorry. Okay, you burn the incense and he comes. Look at his eyes. Can you see his eyes? I don't know, can you see it? You probably can. I'm gonna do a little bit of kind of like a mini video, and I'm gonna post it on Instagram so you can see it. His eyes, you can see a little smoke coming out of his eyes. He's so cute. I love this. This is so cute. So I kind of wanted to document a little bit about this. Now, I know what you're saying. Don't judge me. I know it's not Halloween, but you know, this is no judgment zone. No judgment zone. We do whatever we want. Whatever brings us joy, doesn't matter what it is, okay? So I want to do a little spread with these cute little ghosts. And I don't have a lot of stuff with me because most of my stuff is in the storage unit. But I do have this box with some like mix of papers in here. And I was thinking to find something that I can use to add to my ghost. But the thing is that I don't want it to be too like Halloween inspired. You know what I'm saying? I kind of want it just to be simple, even though ghost, Halloween, you know, it goes together. I know, I get it, I know, but I'm trying to make it work. Okay, I'm going to use this right here. This is cute. Actually, you know what? I'm going to use both of these, and then we'll figure it out once I have him down. And you know what? I like this too. I'm going to do this one too. I don't want it to be too Halloween inspired, but I kind of want to give a little bit of a cute look to my layout, yeah? Okay, let's do that. Let me put this away. I do have some stickers here that I can use. We'll see. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not. We'll see. Can you see the smoke? I'm not sure if you can see the smoke. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Really simple. I'm going to do it really simple. All right, I'm just going to glue one ghost on this end right here, okay? And I'm going to write around him my thoughts, my joy, what I want to say. And I'm going to decorate this page here. So I'm thinking we might have to kind of use, I like this like Polaroid looking thing here. So but I don't want this gold like little sign right there. I don't want that. So let's cut this out. And we're going to, let's see how we're going to do this. How are we going to do this? Okay, let's trim a little ghost, okay? So he can kind of be somewhat in the center of the page. And I thought it's going to be such a cute idea because I know it's not Halloween inspired. I know, but it makes me feel so like happy to see his little cute eyes with smoke, and I just thought it was so cute, the idea. So we're gonna add him here, somewhere in here, maybe like this, yeah, maybe like that, and maybe we could put here some little wording here, yeah. What do you think? Yeah, that looks good. I like that. Why not? Okay, I like that. Okay, let's cut out a little bit better because this looks a little bit wonky. This cut here. And we're going to glue him down with double-sided tape. Okay, double-sided tape. Here we go. And we're going to... Oh, I know what we can do. Oh, I got an idea. I can actually put here inset holder on these little things right here. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You hear everybody now because I have the window open. My window faces the front of the house, and you hear every single little thing that you could think of. I cannot help it. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm gonna try my best to start recording my videos in the morning, like super early in the morning, where like nobody's up and everybody's sleeping, and take advantage. I want to do that. That will probably be my next intention on doing my videos. Okay, I'm gonna glue this one down, and I want to glue this one here, but I need to cut this a little bit. So let's just trim a little bit, and I'm gonna trim a teensy bit on this side. You guys know me, I do not measure anything. Okay, a little bit more. I just made a video, like literally a 5-minute video on my other channel about inspiration and trendy topics. If you guys want to take a look at it, you're welcome to. Literally 5 minutes. I think it was like maybe 6 minutes video, but I just had something in my mind that I wanted to kind of express, and I don't know, I just felt like talking about it for some crazy reason. I just popped my my phone onto my little mini tripod and just record. I look like a mess, so FYI, in case you're gonna go check me out in that video, I look like a mess, but it is what it is, my friends. It is what it is. When you got something to say, you got something to say. You can't wait to get pretty, right? Just gotta say it. Just gotta say it. Okay, we're gonna glue this down here. Okay, let's see. I'm trying to do this video in like a 15-minute time span, so I don't take too long. But you guys know me, right? I can talk forever and ever. Okay, I'm gonna glue this down here. Okay, and I'm going to glue my ghosts. Oh shit, I wanted to actually put him in the back. Let me not make sure. Jeez, I wanted to put him in the back here. Okay, now I'm not using, you could use like glue tape. What is that called? Glue, hold on. What is it called? Like that glue roll-on thingy. But I don't know, I don't feel like that really glues down my paper, especially this kind, because this is kind of like cardboard. And so, but I suppose you can if you want to. Yeah, okay, now I'm gonna put him right here. This is where I want him to go, back here. Yes, baby, right there. Oh, you're so cute. You are adorable, my love. Adorable. Okay, perfect. So what we're gonna do is, I have here the little incense holder, like little word. So we're gonna cut that out, and we're actually gonna glue that down too, because hey, why not? Yeah. Now let's see, where are we gonna put this incense holder? No, I think I want to put it up here. Yeah, incense holder. Okay, let's put double-sided tape on this, and let's see here. You hear somebody mowing the lawn? All right, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? That's life. You can't do nothing about that. Okay, there you go. Little incense holder. Let me drink a little bit of coffee. Okay, we're gonna trim this down a little bit. All right, and we're going to trim this down a little bit here. And I want to glue this down to some paper, which I have some extra here. So maybe I can do it to this one, or maybe we can, let's see here. We don't have any more of this paper, do we? I think I cut all of it, yeah. All right, we'll use this paper then. We'll use that, that's okay. All right, we're going to put this here, just like that. I'm gonna trim it a little bit. And then we're gonna glue this right here, okay? Let's put some double-sided tape here, okay? And here, let's take this side, it's a little bit thinner. There we go. Okay, we're gonna glue our little sign right there. And I think we're done. I'm not gonna do too much because I don't want this to be too like Halloween-ish, but I don't wanna also do it too heavy on like, because I can go crazy. I can go like really crazy, right? But this is just enough. It's just enough to bring me some idea of how this brought me joy and how it made me smile, and I just love it. I just love it. So this one we're going to glue down here. I was thinking of using maybe this, and I can also, when I'm writing my little explanation about it, I can probably write on this as well. Yeah, maybe I can do something like this. And then just, well, I'm gonna put him in the middle. Well, maybe not. Maybe we can put him down here. And then maybe we can just like, let's see. Maybe we can just, maybe write something here and then carry down here. Or, let's see, I'm trying to find, I kind of want to put this like, I don't know, I kind of want to put this crooked like this. For some reason, it's giving me crooked vibes. I don't know. What do you think? Maybe like this? Or maybe, okay, I think I'm gonna do it like this. Yeah? Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. No, I'm gonna do it like this. No, like this is better. I'm gonna do it like this, and then I'm going to write my little journaling over here, and I'm just gonna write all around it. Yeah, I think that's, yeah, we'll do that. Let's do that. Now, I did say that I was only going to decorate this page and I was going to journal on this page. Clearly that's changed, yeah, as you can see, that has changed, but that's okay. That's okay, you know, just go with the flow. If you want to change something up, there's nothing wrong with that. You can. There's no rules, right? There's no regulations. There's no like, you must do this. Absolutely not. We don't believe in rules in this channel, and we believe that we can do whatever we want with our projects without any care. Yeah. Care in a sense of we don't care what anybody else says. Yeah, that's not what we'll craft, because we want to craft for ourselves, not for other people. So who cares? Okay, we're gonna glue this down. Okay, we said we're gonna do like this. Yeah, like that. So I'm gonna put this in this little corner over here. I'm gonna put him right there, and I'm just going to journal around him. Yeah, so let's glue this down first, and then we'll glue the ghost, and then we're done. And then I'm going to go and I'm going to journal my little message to myself on how this cute, adorable little insect brought me joy. Yeah. And how I can't wait to use him for Halloween. He's so cute. He's so cute. Listen, I know people that actually, I follow someone on Instagram that they do Halloween all year long, okay? All year long. So, I'm just saying. Okay, let's glue this down. And then we are done. I don't think I'm going to do anything else because I don't think I really need anything else. I think this is perfect with what I kind of put together here with this very little stuff that we have. We didn't even do a lot. We just put a little some paper and the box, and that's it. There's not really much more we did here, but I think it's enough, right? I think that's enough. I'm gonna glue him down right here. Yeah, it's perfect. It's enough. For me, it's enough. And it's perfect. Okay, very good. Are you guys excited about Sunday? If you haven't watched my video about this challenge, I will link it at the bottom. You still can do it. It's never too late. Never too late, my loves. And then you're going to want to come back on Sunday because I'm going to show you guys my spread for the whole week. Okay. There we go. Perfect. There we go. How cute is this? I love this. This is so cute. All right, it's giving me Halloween vibes, but I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can do here. I'm pretty sure we can't find anything here because this is definitely Halloween inspired, yeah? I don't think I'm going to go there with this, but let's see. Let's just see. Creep it real. Let's just see. Maybe I could find some cute little words that I can add. Probably not, but that's okay. Okay, you know what? Let's look at this real quick. Maybe we could find some flowers. Some black and white flowers. So I can add some here. And then call it a day. Let's see. Maybe we could find flowers here, yeah? Let's see. 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 Give me a black and white. Give me... Ooh. Ooh. No. Give me a smaller black and white. Smaller black and white. Ooh, this is a nice one. Look at this one. And it's kind of grayish. Ooh. Ooh, we're going to use this. We're going to finish the video with this. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Maybe this way? No, maybe this way. Okay, I know what we're going to do. We're going to put this here. We're going to cut this and we're going to put the rest over here. And then we call it, hold on, I think I cut too much. Okay, let's put this on this side. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That looks nice. Oh, that looks beautiful. I love it. How cute does that look? Yes. Okay, that's it. We're done. We're done. This is my second spread for this week. And I love it. I'm going to put some little, I'm going to journal a little bit on this side. And then we call it a day. I have the one that I did yesterday, but I'm not going to show you. You'll have to come back on Sunday to see it. Ha ha. Okay, my loves. I hope you enjoy me putting this together. Let me know if you guys are going to participate in this challenge. Please let me know at the bottom of this video. And hopefully I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye, my loves. Have a good day.